Yes, and just a moment ago in the segment, and now already here with me in the studio, is the Chief Executive Officer and founder of VitaScale, Dr. Surname. Ulrich Jericho, nice to have you here. Hello.
Hi, thanks so much.
Tell me, there are numerous fitness trackers available. What distinguishes yours from the rest?
Yes, basically we bridge the gap between high-end medical devices. The breath gases are measured using mask-based or tube-based systems, which have a price range of approximately $10,000 to $15,000 and necessitate medical personnel, ultimately connecting to conventional wearables such as fitness trackers and heart rate monitors. In doing so, we are introducing a new signal into the realm of wearables, namely breath gas analysis. Why breath gas analysis? Ultimately, breath gas is the most precise measurement to analyze performance capabilities and metabolic processes, which is why it is referred to as the gold standard in sports medicine. Until now, it was not possible to offer these devices for end consumers, and with our system, we are now able to introduce a consumer version to the market. Ultimately, this device looks like a headset system that you simply put on, allowing for precise and accurate analysis of performance and metabolism at that moment, while also providing the coaching support behind it.
But the headset is not everything. It also includes an app. How does the app communicate with the headset?
Yes, great question. The system has two components. First, from the product line, we have a headset and a handheld device. This is the version. The algorithm, the entire logic of measuring data in open space or breath gases in open space, where we are the first in the world to enable this, is also patented worldwide, developed in the last 5 years, works in a way that ultimately the information displayed here in the cockpit, for example, is evaluated and transmitted to the headset via audio signal, cockpit, or light signal. This groundbreaking technology revolutionizes data measurement and transmission, setting a new standard in the aviation industry. So the person who uses the headset later on will receive specific instructions through the audio, such as walk faster, slower, straighter, or however they need to move.
Essentially a voice simply.
Exactly, one voice, one instructor supporting. If you'd rather not, you can also listen to music aside. Just like now, in case there is no screen available, there will be an LED display in this area up front, which will differentiate between red and green red, customizing it accordingly to the user's performance.
As a founder, how did you, in your role as a founder, come up with the idea to develop such a device as a founder?
Yes, I was actively engaged in competitive sports for numerous years and had the opportunity to experience these sports medicine applications more often during that period. That is a large mask indeed. Then you take the test, which by itself has a cost of approximately 400 euros, and then you depart. Takes a heart rate monitor and ultimately has to constantly juggle between estimated values and precise, accurate values. And there was the consideration that there must be something that can simply be portable, flexibly used, and consequently can be used as a permanent solution, also suitable for end customers. Over the past 4YRs, we've developed the product line of VitaScale, enabling exactly that and providing end customers with a more efficient way to enhance performance or optimize weight.
You founded the company in 2006. Now, after so many years, you have achieved a lot of success. How should things proceed in the future?
Yes, so fundamentally the company itself, VitaScale, was accurately spun off in March from the original business because we have a strong intention to move the product line here in its own direction with great emphasis. So this is basically VitaScale GmbH behind it. What's next? Currently, we're focusing on metabolism and performance diagnostics. Current focus, launching into market in upcoming months. Start scheduled for year-end timeframe. We'll begin by targeting Europe, with Germany as our initial focus market, and then expand globally to the USA and Asia in the next 2-3 years. There are additional functionalities that we want and can integrate here. For example, food intolerance, where only a sensor needs to be added to the front area. In addition, there is monitoring for diabetes, diagnostics, testing of lung function, and monitoring for individuals who, for instance, have conditions such as COPD or asthma. Furthermore, the topic of alcohol monitoring is particularly relevant for the automotive industry to ensure that drivers are not under the influence of alcohol, thus guaranteeing safe driving.
Can one say, especially in the field of fitness, that this is the future?
Yes, we do think so. That was also the approach to introduce a complete game changer into the market here. Currently, we have the capability to do more than simply approximate data, similar to what conventional fitness trackers and heart rate monitors accomplish. We are now able to accurately gauge our metabolism and the amount of energy we truly expend while at rest, not engaging in any activity. What modifications should I implement in my diet to attain a negative energy balance and effectively reduce weight, for instance, as a means of illustration? What's my current performance? These parameters aren't available in existing systems for consumer devices on the market. These are all estimates. Some have 60–80% error, according to Stanford University. Therefore, we now offer a complete solution here. With, as mentioned, additional expansion functions, such as food intolerance, I now have a fructose or lactose intolerance, how is my lung function, etc., to ensure that one then engages in a healthy and above all effective training and weight loss.
Great. Dr. Jericho, thank you very much for being here and providing us with these insights. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.